Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear viewers? Today we will talk about the ablution. Yes, how do we perform ablution? First, what is the meaning of ablution? Al-wudu. Yes, al-wudu. What is the definition of ablution? It's taken from al-wada'a, meaning goodness, cleanness, and light. So called legal ablution because it's a light from the darkness of sins and it gives light to the organs by washing them. Yes, before performing the prayer we must prepare ourselves first by cleaning and making the intention in our heart. Yes, take care, make the intention in your heart, don't say it by your tongue. So how many ablution steps? First, you should say in the name of Allah, Bismillah, at the beginning of ablution. Also, you should know the ablution steps should be arranged step by step. Yes, first step, wash hands 3 times. Wash hands 3 times. Yes, wash hands 3 times. Okay, don't forget that. Wash your palms 3 times with water up to the wrist. Rub the water between the fingers and avoid wasting water during ablution. Yes, okay. The second step, mouthwash 3 times. Mouthwash 3 times. Yes, you rinse your mouth 3 times by your right hand. Rinsing means to put water in the mouth and turn it left and right. Yes, okay. The third step, inhale 3 times. Inhale 3 times. Yes. Inhale 3 times. Inhaling means holding the water in the breath by your right hand. Then use by your right hand. Okay, then use your left hand to blow the water out from the nose. Yes, the step number 4, wash the face 3 times. Wash your face 3 times. Yes, wash your face for 1 time is enough. For the Sunnah, the Muslim should apply his face for 3 times. Okay, can you describe how to wash it? Yes, you should know the face starts from the beginning of your forehead, yes, and the root of the hair to the chin. Okay, and from the ear to the other ear. From the ear to the other ear. Yes, the step number 5. The step number 5, wash hands up to the elbow 3 times. Wash hands for the elbow 3 times. Yes, don't forget that. Start washing your right hand up to the elbow 3 times and a little above it. A little above just to make sure. Okay, then do the same to the left hand. Do the same to the left hand. Okay, the step number 6, clear the head for 1 time. Yes, clear the head for 1 time. To wipe your head and that only once for 1 time. And the wiping is from the front of the head to the back, and from the back to the front by your hands. Yes, you return. The step number 7, wipe the ear once. Also wipe the ear for 1 time. To wipe your ears and wiping the ear is a follow-up to wipe your head with water from inside and outside your ear. Okay, just for 1 time. The step number 8, washing the feet 3 times. Washing the feet 3 times. Yes, start washing the right foot with the heel 3 times and a little above it just to make sure, and also make sure that the water has reached between the toes. Then do the same with the left foot. Okay, after finishing we say that I bear witness that there is no God but Allah alone with no partner, and I bear witness that Muhammad is his servant, and messenger. Oh God, make me one of those who repent to you and make me one of those who purify themselves. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله رب اجعلني من التوابين واجعلني من المتطهرين. Yes, finally, if you reach this clip, I would like to thank you, and I tell you there is a copy of this work PowerPoint for the work. For those who want it, just contact us by writing a comment, and also tell us about your opinion because it's important to us. Goodbye and good luck. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.